at Warehouse Stationery.
Tomorrow's weather. Bad for Swannies. Great for making power. At Meridian, we only generate power from wind, water and sun.
Kia ora. Well, I hope you've had a really nice start to your weekend. It has been a bit cool and windy for some places with the southwesterly flow. This should ease tomorrow. You can see the isobars will space out. A nice sunny ridge will then come in and it's going to remain in place for a few days. There is a trough moving up the east coast, but there's not a lot of weather associated with this. So tonight there are just a few showers for Te Waipunamu, mainly out west and in the south. These showers will gradually ease tomorrow, so plenty of sunshine is on the way. Cooler southwesterly winds will also die down. A mainly clear night for Te Ika a Maui, just some patchy cloud here and there. This should clear by tomorrow afternoon, so lots of blue sky to enjoy, but it will be a bit cooler with south to southwest winds. So going in for a closer look, and the top of the country, we'll get some cloud at the beginning and end of the day. There'll be loads of sunshine in between, but southwesterlies will keep a lid on temperatures. And a fine day for everyone here. Again, just a bit of cloud floating about. You'll also get those southwesterlies, and there might be the odd shower in the evening. Out east, well, it's more of the same. Long, fine spells, south to southwest winds and some cooler looking highs. Dannyverk and Masterton with just 16 degrees. And a cloudy start for the rest of the island with possible drizzle over Taumaranui. The afternoon should be a lot brighter and most places will get south to southwest winds. Showers along the west coast will move off quickly. After lunch, the sun should pop out. Those closer to the coast will just pick up a southwesterly wind. And Kaikoura and Christchurch might get the odd spot of rain in the morning. Other than that, there'll be plenty of sunshine, but it will be a bit chilly. Further south and coastal areas will get a few showers, but these will clear to a mainly fine afternoon. Like most places, just watch for those cooler southwesterly winds. So Ōtepoti Dunedin will wake up to 1 or 2 showers. The afternoon should be fine, but there'll be strong southwesterlies and you're heading for a high of just 16 degrees. A mostly fine day for Ōtautahi Christchurch. You'll just have to find a sheltered spot. Southerly winds will develop and they'll push temperatures down. Te Whanganui Atara is in for another day of sunshine, so good news for the cricket. But with the southerly wind, you will need a few extra layers. Southerlies will also develop over Hawke's Bay in the morning, although it is going to be sunny and Napier is heading for a high of 20 degrees. A nice looking Sunday for Tauranga, your high 23 degrees. Cloud will just increase towards the evening with a chance of a shower. Morning cloud over Kirikiriroa Hamilton will lift to a bright blue sky day. You'll get a southwesterly wind and a high of 20. And not a bad outlook for Tāmaki Makaurau. There'll just be some cloud in the morning and evening with a southwesterly wind and a high of 19. Well, across the Tasman we go, and there is a bit of wet weather along the east coast. It's also heating up in Melbourne, the city heading for 30 degrees. And some heavy rain in the Pacific with some thundery falls around Samoa and Fiji. Well, looking towards next week now, and a bright, sunny outlook for northern areas with some nice looking highs as well. It's really going to heat up along the east coast. Gisborne heading for a top temperature of 28 degrees. And bright blue skies for the rest of the island. This will come as a relief for some places. You'll finally be able to dry out. And it's more of the same as we look to the south. Long, fine spells and warm highs, especially out east. Christchurch will be hovering around 30 degrees on Wednesday, so lots of sunshine is on the way. And tomorrow is looking fine, but it might be a little bit chilly, so just keep a few extra layers handy.
Thanks, Alex. And that is Newshub Live at 6 for Saturday.
And you can get in touch with us by emailing the team on news@newshub.co.nz. I'm Michael Morrah.
And I'm Sasha McNeil. From us, good night.
Crowds are